Are you tired of your phone sleeping while riding your bike? Or struggling to check Google Maps in the middle of the traffic? Well, today I have got something super useful for all bike riders, delivery partners, daily commuters and even long ride lovers. The Portronics Mobike 5 mobile holder. First, I will test the stability of this mobile holder mounted on my scooty while tracking a route on the Google Map. Then I will cover the unboxing and installation process. Finally, I will share my honest verdict. Is it truly worth buying or just another average phone holder? Using a real-world test on a scooty is the best way to prove if the holder can actually handle vibrations and bumps without dropping an expensive phone. Look closely at the phone. We are riding on normal city roads, speed breakers, small potholes, some uneven patches. Notice the stability. The phone is not shaking excessively. It is not sleeping, and most importantly, it is not moving out of the position. This is the real-world test. Now let's look at the box pack of the Portronics Mobike 5 mobile holder. Few highlighted features of this product has been written in the side of the box pack. 360-degree rotation, one press release, and it is compatible with the 4.7-inch to the 7.2-inch devices. Price of the product is written $599 but got the product in a deal price of $300 around. Product link has been given in the description of this video. The moment you take it out from the box, you immediately feel that this is not a cheap plastic. It has a strong ABS body with solid grip arms. It feels sturdy in hand, and that's important because phone safety depends on it. You can register 1-year warranty of this product just by scanning the QR code here. This metal bar which holds and connects the mobile holder with the scooty through mirror mount. Carefully follow the steps of installation one by one. This is the screw for tightening and loosening the mobile holder. This is shock absorbing anti-slip mobile holder with stronger and stable upper support arm and bottom support. Just press the two side buttons to open the clamp arms. Pull the bottom support to release. This end of the bar will actually attach with the screw. You can see here, and then tighten the screw in this way. The remaining end of the metal bar will go to the base of the mirror. Here, this is called mirror mount process. For mirror mounting process, that is for the installation of this mobile holder with the scooty, I have taken the help of a technician. You can see here. If you want to install this mobile holder on your own at home, then follow the steps carefully. Now the installation has been done successfully. You can see here. This holder supports almost all smartphones, from smaller 4.7-inch phone to larger 7.2-inch devices. So whether you are using a budget Android phone or a big premium smartphone, it fits comfortably. By rotating the screw, you can adjust the phone holder vertical, horizontal or any other desired angle. That means 360-degree rotation is possible by this phone holder. So overall verdict: strong build, secure grip, easy installation, wide compatibility, budget friendly. If you are looking for a reliable mobile holder without spending too much money, the Portronics Mobike 5 is definitely worth considering. Thank you.